Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a surprise package from HVLogic. I already picked these up, so there are no doxing. He got this little letter from me. Dear Panda-Frog, please find enclosed gifts for you and a $1 Milo coin for Milo's first birthday. Enjoy, HVLogic. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. And I will set aside the $1 coin for Milo until he's a little older and can appreciate it. Oh cool, you sent me again, or us, some Milo. My wife loves this stuff and I do too. Thank you so much. I will very shortly have a drink with Milo, and I mean it's like 8 PM right now, so it's time for Milo, I guess. Alright, let's get started. I see some old logs, that's good. I like old logs. Come on, let me open this little. Oh, it's cool. Let me zoom in. Is the camera unlocked? No, it's not, of course. So we got a $1 Milo, or $1 as a Milo, and I guess it's a official dollar. It's a real one. I'm sorry. It looks like it. Let me turn on the other light. We have a little more from the top. So yeah. I didn't, correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like a real Australian dollar. I didn't know you could have like advertising on a coin. So I will put it over to my other coin collection stuff and set it aside for Milo when he's a little older and he can enjoy it. Thank you so much. It's pretty cool. I didn't know that stuff existed. Okay, so we got 2 keys in here. And one looks like a wafer lock or something. No, it's normal. I was mistaken. So this is, I guess, I think I got a red one of these. And I believe they're like lotto locks. Not the key for this one. Okay, no key for the lotto. Ooh, that's fancy. That looks old. Nice snap. Pretty cool lock. And no. This is the same key. Well then, it's wrong. Should be working. Okay, it doesn't. Does it work in here? Oh yeah, that's for the lotto. If this is the lotto, I don't know. So I don't have a key for this old one. Lockwood, Australia. If you could shed some light in the comments on the age of this lock, or 3 of them would be cool. HV, thank you so much. I have to return the favor in time. I'm not gonna rush it. But you know, I'm good for returning favors. Well, let me think. I want to have a little jalapeno jelly bean. You know guys, you know me, I love swag, and I couldn't help it when, I'm not a big fan of Lockpicking Lawyer, but when he put out some swag, some patches, I had to buy them, and well, I'm not very impressed. Yeah, okay, but it's another like covered instruments, so it's another company stuff. And this one I like, because it's like the Game of Thrones made out of pigs, but also the company name again here. So yeah, it's actually nice quality patches, but I don't fancy the company name. But yeah, I bought it, almost paid the same amount for shipping. Well, yeah, that's just me. Alright, let's try picking here a little. I want to start with this red one. I don't have all my tools here. My favorite pick is actually in my office, because I'm trying. Oh, damn it! Does that fit? It looks like wafers in here. Huh. Okay. Cool. The jalapeno is getting to me. I want to try to rake it first. Okay. Something else. Okay. It's just a tryout, so not too set on getting it open with a rake. City rake did the trick. Let me see if I can reproduce the result. Yeah. Ooh, there was some. It's a nice look. I like the red color and stuff. So HV, please shed some light on this lock. What is it? And so I'm on this first wafer, second, third. I think I got it almost. There we go. Alright, so nice wafer lock. Lockwood. Looks a little older. Pretty cool. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you, HV. It's amazing. I will pass on your congratulations to my son. Thank you so much. This is part why I like this community so much. I didn't know he sent me something. He just mentioned it like, hey, I sent you something, and yeah, just for you and Milo. So thank you so much, and well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.